guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we have a wig from Outre. This wig is going to be Evona, and I have it in the color 1B. This one comes with transparent lace and it is heat safe. This one here is a 13x6 and it does have a couple different colors that it comes in. So this is the inside of the packaging. As you guys can see, you get a couple different specialty colors. Those are at an upcharge. So the wig comes with two combs on the side, a comb in the back, and you do get the adjustable straps. You get a strap on the inside. This one here is not adjustable, but you can use it to make the wig a throw and go. It is very stretchy. So the first thing we're going to do is go in and we're going to tint it. I'm going to use this magic tint spray. I like this one better than the Even New York, so I'm going to use that to spray it and get a nice even tint on it. After I do that, you guys, it's pretty much easy from here. As you guys can see, the hairline on this one looks really good, and you can, you know, go in and finesse it as far as gluing it down, or you don't really have to glue it down. What I'm going to do is go in and make it a left side part. You guys know I like a left side part. I'm going to go in and do that, and then I'm going to take out a couple hairs in the front. It does come with a little bit of baby hairs, but I push those back into the wig because I wanted to make my own. As you can see, I'm going to cut the wig kind of jagged in the front. I don't want to cut it straight across because I don't want it to look for you to be able to see where the wig starts at. So the ear tabs come down pretty long, so you're going to have to cut into the wig, pulling it up and cut around. Once I do that, then I'm going to take a couple hairs out. Now, since I don't want to lay this wig all the way down, and I only want to lay it down in the front, or at least on the side where it comes, I'm using some Got to Be Glued spray, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and just blow dry it down. Once you do that, it pretty much just melt in to your scalp after that. I like the way this lace is. Outre always does really good with their lace, and they make it look really natural. So if you're a first time wig wearer, this is going to be pretty easy and seamless for you. The curls that come in this is really nice. It's not textured. The hair does feel a little bit more silky, but I like the length of it, and I think that it will last you for a little while. So what I'm doing right here is I'm pulling out a little bit of hair in the front, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to make that like kind of like a sideburn or something like that on the side, and then that piece over there, I'm going to take that one and I'm going to swoop it. So I'm using some Got to Be Glued gel. I'm using the one that's in the black bottle because that one there, it doesn't cake up like the one that is in the yellow bottle. I feel like that one cakes up a lot. So as far as the wig, the way it fits really good, you guys. As you can see, what I'm doing here is I'm laying those hairs down, and what I'm going to do is push those back into the wig. Now, once I do that, I wanted to see, okay, am I going to have to come down and go around my ear? And I saw that I was going to have to. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go in with my blow dryer, and then you're going to see I'm going to also go in with a hot comb. Hot comb is going to be your best friend. It's going to get them hairs down nice and flat and make it like it's coming from your scalp. So once I use the hairs in the front and I kind of swoop them back, as you notice, I didn't cut those hairs. I just pulled it out, sprayed it, and then I swooped it back into the wig. Now, after I get the hairline how I want it, I tied it up. I left it tied up for just a little bit, and then I did a couple other things. You guys came back and untied it. I maybe left it tied up for a couple minutes. I don't know, about maybe 10. And then this became the final result. As you can see, the hairline came out really good. To get that side to look like it was coming from my scalp, I didn't show you guys, but I sprayed that, held it up with the comb, and blow dried it to give it just a little bit of lift. This wig to me is perfect. I love the shine on it. I love the length on it, and it's just so natural. So thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys participating in Wigmas. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Returning subscribers in YouTube, babes, thank y'all so much. Hey girl, hey, appreciate you guys. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.